Hi, it's Karen at RT Systems. I'm here today to talk to you about the Anytone AT-D168 and the AT-D878 in all its varieties that have been brought up. In the 168, it's beyond version 1.03, and in the 868, it's beyond version 3.05. The introduction of the satellite feature, really cool. I got to play with it today. Don't know exactly how it works, but I can see results in the radio. But you do have to use the Anytone software for that one feature. It is not incorporated into the RT Systems software. Let me show you what it is and how to work with it. We have the RT Systems software for the D878, the V3 as we call it. Hey, it was version 3.05. It jumped from 2 to 3. So we call it V3. This one's ready to go, and I'm going to do communications and send data to radio. Okay, and that file is all loaded to the radio. I'm going to reduce this, and I'm going to bring up the Anytone software because I want to put satellite data into this radio to be able to use it. Set COM port, COM3, program, read from radio, and OK. Now, you do not have to do this. I am doing this to show you something. And I didn't get the bar over here fast enough, but the blue bar ran across the screen. For some reason, it likes to project on my other screen. But I get this error, get option from COM data error. This is not an error on the radio. The radio is perfectly happy. This is an error in the program. It didn't like something we handed it. We'll continue to try, but at this point we're having trouble finding what that piece it doesn't like the taste of is. I'm going to tell it OK, and yeah, it closes. Yep, that's a little annoying. I'm going to double click on the icon and it opens back up. Now, I came out here to work with satellites. Set COM port, I promise you, I did this enough times. Make sure you double check your COM port. Tools, satellite data update, and there's my satellite screen. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to get information from AMSAT. This has changed quite a bit from the original. The original was going to put in all these satellites that have been decommissioned and have been out of the sky for years. But this one has been redone, so it's just putting in active ones. So I am going to write data to radio. And it's done. Success. Tell it OK. I take my radio outside and I acquire a GPS, and when I access the satellites, it comes up with a little screen that I believe said predicting, and then it comes up with a list of times that those satellites should pass over my location. That's pretty cool. As for the other information of the file, that's correct. You can't read it back into this program, but you're already using an easier program to get it done. If you're having trouble with this part of it, call RT Systems. We will be more than happy to help. So let's do File New and see what's in the radio. Communications and get data from radio, and OK. I still have data. I still have zones. I still have talk groups. If I want to compare them easily, I can look at them side by side. Skybridge is my original, and this is what I just read. zones, and talk groups. So none of this was disturbed, and I have my satellite data like I wanted it. Everything working, a little inconvenient, but hey, it's still easier than punching things in from the face of the radio. So this is Karen, and remember, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. 73s.